that was how I created this complete ebook using ChatGPT. And actually, we ended up creating a lot of checklists as well. You would see the number of checklists that we created here. So these are the list of checklists: skill gap metrics, job description template, sample job description, recruitment timeline planner, job listing check, and so many, so many other checklists that we created. I'm sure you would love to create an ebook for yourself, be the author of it, promote it, market it, and you never know when you can become one of the best selling authors, leveraging the power of Canva and ChatGPT, without needing a publisher, without needing a copywriter, without needing an editor. Just a couple of hours, just some ideas in your mind to brainstorm with, and you have everything in front of you. I hope this was interesting. This was a fun thing to do, and I would love to see what ebooks you create for yourself in the comments below or in the messages. Do let me know if you like the session, if you are going to create an ebook for yourself, and if yes, do share with me the link. I would really love to read your ebooks, read your ideas, and give my feedbacks, if any. Thanks a lot. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.